Hey Baddie and Business family, my name is Isabella. I am the owner of two six-figure earning online businesses, and today I'm going to be sharing the income stream that made me over $200,000 just this year. Not only will I be sharing how I did it, but I'm going to be sharing how you can make money from this opportunity as well. Just the fact that I used to make $20,000 to $30,000 in one full year working full-time, this number is insanely crazy to me. Especially when I start thinking about the fact that I would have had to work for 7 years just to make this amount of money that I have made in 1 year from one income stream. That is why I'm so grateful for this YouTube channel, because my intention with these videos is not to brag, but to share how I'm making money online in order to not only inspire you, but to show you how you can do the same. You guys already know I do not sell courses or mentorship programs, and I am committed to 100% free education. All I ask in return for these informative videos is that you hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm so I can get this video across YouTube, and subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can continue to make videos just like this. And with this stream of income, you do not have to show your face, and it's also something that you can get started doing with $0. If you want to see all of my income streams broken down, I do have a video about how I make $80,000 in 1 month, so I definitely recommend you go and check out that video if you want to know all of the things that I do to make money online. But this specific income stream is still so crazy to me that I knew I had to make a video specifically about this. And in all reality, this income stream is easier than even an online e-commerce business, because this $218,000 that you guys are seeing right now on the screen is 100% profit. There's not really any overhead with this specific income stream. And if you've watched my other videos, you could probably guess what that income stream is. And that is the Facebook Reels bonus program. I didn't even know you could make money from Facebook. And if you are unsure what this is all about and what is Reels, and this is kind of language that you've never heard before, let me quickly explain it. So with the rise of TikTok, other social media platforms have been losing their monthly users. Because of this, Instagram, Facebook, and even YouTube has been paying extra in order for people to post vertical short form video content. Very similar to what TikTok is today. So instead of them just spending advertising money to try to promote their platform, they are paying creators directly. We saw this first with the TikTok Creator Fund that seemed to change the game forever. And the TikTok Creator Fund is not the only way you can make money online from TikTok. You can also make money from TikTok live streams. And that is something that you can monetize and do worldwide. So I first got invited to this program on one of my pages back in October of 2021. At the time, they gave me an approximate bonus of $530. And I made sure that I posted tons of reels in that time to meet that maximum bonus. So December of 2021, they gave us a maximum bonus of $35,000. And we tried our best to meet that, and we made $31,000 in the first month of that maximum bonus of $35K. They ended up paying this in January, which is why this amount is included in my 2022 income. Since then, you can see repeatedly they have given us a $35,000 maximum bonus every single month since then. And they even gave me the bonus on my personal account, but quite honestly, I didn't really care to try to make any money from that just because I'm so focused on my pages account. I wanted to add everything up and see how much I actually made so far from Facebook, and after adding this up, my number came to $218,361. I also just want to state that I started this Facebook page with 0 followers. So how did I grow this Facebook page, and how am I now making money from this Facebook page? The number one thing that I did was I chose a niche. This is my dog's account, and I love my dog. Her name is Mika, and she's something in my life that makes me happy, and I wanted to share her with the world. That is why I chose her and the pet niche as my niche. And I love this niche type because I don't have to show my face. She's basically the star of these videos. And I love how I'm able to share her as a part of my life in order to make others happy as well. So when you're thinking of a niche type, think about the things in your life that makes you happy, whether it's cooking, gardening, you name it, anything that you do in your life that you love to do. think about what you could do videos on. And while you're thinking about this, you also have to be thinking about if you want to show your face or not. So like if you don't want to show your face, you obviously wouldn't pick makeup as your niche. So once you have your niche, then you can start creating content. What I did for my dog's account was I made her a TikTok page, and then I made her an Instagram, and then I made her a Facebook. I had no idea you could even make as much money as you could make from these social media accounts. But because of, like I said earlier, the rise of TikTok, so many other social media accounts have been paying out. So the opportunities are only increasing from here. I feel like it's never been a better time to start that type of account or niche account that you've always wanted to start. Even if you don't know your niche, you might just have to do some soul searching to see what you enjoy in life or what's in your life that maybe it's not unique to you, but it could be unique to others, such as farming. I've seen a lot of farming accounts across TikTok and social media that get tons of views because to somebody that doesn't grow up around farms, it's something very interesting. So even the most thing that maybe you think is boring, it could actually be so exciting and fun to someone else. And not to get too personal, but I genuinely believe that God has given us everything we need to succeed. So I know there's somebody in your life that you could share with others. There are so many Facebook groups that you can add yourself into. So for example, I've added my Facebook page and my personal page into these husky groups because my dog is a husky. So there's a lot of husky groups on Facebook. So what I did to grow her Facebook account is I just shared the posts from her account to the groups. So for example, if you decided to do makeup as your niche, you could find makeup groups on Facebook, share your makeup posts and funny videos or whatever, reels or regular videos to those groups, and that will help you to gain a following and to grow your Facebook page. Now let's take a look at the Facebook Reels Play Bonus eligibility to see exactly what they're looking for in order for you to start getting paid for your videos on Facebook. These sometimes can change, so that's why I wanted to do an updated video about this as well. For right now, the United States is the only country that is paying out for Facebook Reels bonus. Now, you can still make money on Facebook in other ways, just not in the Reels portion yet. Like, for example, if you're in Canada, there's still tons of other social media monetization opportunities that I talk about on my YouTube channel and ways you can make money online no matter where you are, anywhere in the world. But this specific thing, unfortunately, is only being offered to the United States at this time. And of course, for this, you do have to be 18 years old in order to collect the payments. You must meet the community guidelines, which means you can't be stealing content from other people. You have to apply from an account that is older than 30 days, which is pretty easy because you're going to need that time to grow your page. And you must created at least 5 reels in the past 30 days. One of the more tough components that they did add to these rules of becoming monetized is that you must receive at least 100K reels plays in the last 30 days. But I'm telling you guys, all you need is that one viral reel and that will put you right where you need to be. They used to give the Reels bonus out to personal accounts. Now they're only giving them out to pages, and that page must be in professional mode. So make sure you guys have that as well. I hope you learned something from this video or that this video inspired you in some way. I'm super thankful, and I still can't believe that this is the amount of money that we have made so far this year from Facebook. It's literally so insane, and I just had to share this single income stream with you guys today and give you some points and tips on how to actually get this for yourself as well. I can confirm they have paid this to my bank account, so it's not just a number on the screen. They transfer the money from the previous month into your bank account 30 days after. Don't forget that I have so many other educational videos on my YouTube channel showing you how to make money online in so many different ways. Because what works for one person may not work for another, and I like to give you guys different options of what has personally worked for me in order to help guide you to make money online. Don't forget to like this video for the YouTube algorithm if you have not already, and subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can continue to make videos just like this. Also, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at BaddieInBiz. Remember that I will never message you first, and I'll never ask you to send me money or join a mentorship program, so please be careful with some fake accounts. I also see them in the comments of my videos, and again, just to remind you guys, I don't have WhatsApp and I do not have Telegram. Don't get scammed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next YouTube video. Bye everyone!